guys tell how sweaty and flushed my face is. I just mowed the lawn. Look how pretty. I mow all the way up to the stripe that you see, because after that it's the park, even though I feel like the whole thing is my property. Can I just say living on the park is amazing? I mowed the lawn because that man right there, he doesn't know I'm filming him. He's such a hottie. That man right there, he is sore today. And sometimes he gets so sore that he just ends up flat on his back and unable to move and just groans constantly. So instead of driving today to go pick up Zachary from preschool, I decided I am going to walk. And it's gonna be a speed walk because I lost track of time. And normally I would have left close to this time to go pick him up. I was like, no, I still gotta get this speed walk in. So I have enough time to get there, plenty of time to get there, if I speed walk the whole way, which is great for the goal that I have. Gives me a reason to be speed walking. Clint's gonna do something very special for me.
My office sent out a video clip and they're all, Nate and Clint, you guys should do this or learn how to do this. I'm like, well, what makes you think I don't know or already know how to do it? Anyways, it's so I was teaching Ash how to do it.
He was teaching me because I didn't know how to do
then
it.
You go faster and speed it up, slow it down. Yeah.
Do you want to see how good of a teacher Clint is? All right. So he actually did. He had to teach me because I was like, all I know is my hips do this and my arms do this. And I don't know. So, okay. He taught me good. So let me see if I remember. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Counting is necessary for someone who's not coordinated like myself. And then I get stuck on one side.
Good job. We're at the end of our day and just wanted to come outside and enjoy what we have here as far as this weather. And yeah, got a thunderstorm above us. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool.
It's pretty sunny and bright considering that there's thunder right now.
Yeah. But it sounds awesome. I mean, and it's just going. So, thought we'd just come out, just sit down.
It looks like the rain's about to come. These clouds look like they're washing away.
So today was a good day. It was a busy day. We had 3 listings go live today and 2 that went live yesterday. So with real estate, with the team, with everything that's going on, there's a lot of good things happening. and just excited for the growth and the success. Yep, and the rain's coming, so it's
And I did make it in the nick of time to get Zachary. Made it to his school with 2 minutes to spare.
nice. I really enjoy it here. This is a really beautiful area. Love this park. Just grateful. Grateful for the rain. Love thunder. It's a good time to be alive.
Word.
Look how big those drops are. Well, it's starting to rain. This is a good time. Love it.
Is it big? Yes. Is it pretty? Yes. Can we share it? Yes. I cannot wait. You will have to. What? Why? The surprise is not here yet. So I will have to wait for it? Yes.
So we did buy a LG OLED, and so far I'm really impressed with it. Really enjoy this TV. So what we have going on right now is that we have the Xbox connected into the receiver, and then the receiver is then connected to the TV. However, I want to know, can I plug the Xbox into the TV and then run a 2.1 HDMI cord out of the TV and into the receiver to still get the surround sound? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find out if that will work. Let there be light. Thank you.
Everything that makes it work. Look at all those cords. I don't even know what anything does.
So, biggest thing is just to make sure that sound still get back into the receiver. I'm not sure. Okay.
Now we test it. Well, I'm done feeding baby Zeke now. And sounds like Clint made something happen with the TV sound.
Maybe. We're still playing with it. Wow. This looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think it's even better than it was before. Like the colors, the detail in the background. Wow. We're gonna test the surround sound. Ashley, she let me upgrade our system this year, and it's been, one thing at a time. And I've been looking at surround sound systems and different, whether we do a receiver with speakers or if we do a sound bar. And for us, I ended up choosing to go with the receiver. I went with the Denon. I'd have to look at it again. I think it's a 750. Yeah, 750 or something like that, with a Klipsch home theater pack. And this one, it's not the highest tier. This one we got from Costco. Got it while it was on sale. We have a sub over here in the corner, and then one over here behind us. So I am running with 2 subs, and so far this sounds really well. The picture quality is phenomenal. For those that know OLEDs, I mean, you can't get one that gets any darker. And I mean, you can get ones that go brighter, absolutely. But for our room, this is plenty bright enough, and overall, I'm really, really happy. So I'm going to keep playing with it, just to make sure I dial it in, tune it, and I think other than that, I think we've got it all working now. So the Xbox is plugged in directly into the TV, and then the TV is plugged into the surround sound, I believe. I honestly don't know what I did, but it's working. So, yeah.
It sounds really good. I'm excited to watch something that has a really good range of sound.
Well, you're in luck.
Color. I'm in luck. I have to go downstairs and start working.
This is also true. To be continued then.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you, honey.
Love you.
You make me so happy. I love you too.